Welcome back, guys, to another video with Everything Design. Today we will be taking you to the future of outdoor design with Coohom. We're diving into how Coohom's cutting-edge outdoor courtyard rendering can transform your spaces into breathtaking masterpieces. Imagine turning a simple outdoor space into an inviting oasis, all with just a few clicks. With Coohom's advanced rendering tools, you can achieve stunning results that bring your design dreams to life. Coohom offers a comprehensive suite of features that elevate your design experience. From ultra-high-definition renderings to a rich library of textures and materials, provides everything you need to craft captivating outdoor spaces. Whether you're envisioning a sleek, modern retreat or a lush, vibrant garden, Coohom's versatile design options let you explore endless possibilities. Create and customize every element to reflect your unique style. The outdoor space can be created so easily as shown here. Just draw and enjoy bringing your perfect outdoor space to reality. Use the library to build and make your courtyard a place to last for long. Simply drag and drop. It's that easy. Experience the power of Coohom's advanced rendering capabilities, which ensure your designs look stunning at any time of day. Adjust and perfect your outdoor spaces with tools designed for both precision and creativity. As you can see in this interface, you can adjust the sunlight to your liking to display any time of the day. You can control the elevation, temperature, and even the place where you want the sun to hit. Here are some party lights for our garden party lovers as well. Don't you think that this is impressive? In this example, this outdoor rendering is in the evening. Looks very stunning and realistic. This way you will never find difficulty in bringing your vision to life. This is another example of exterior daylight renders. Very sharp and realistic. I always get compliments from clients when I add a courtyard design to the projects we are working on, as it gives it more character and might tempt the client to add the outdoor design in. So it's a win-win situation in both cases. Here is something that only Coohom does, which I love. Coohom organizes competitions for different designs, and anyone can join and post their design for a chance to get their hands on different prizes. It's very tempting indeed, and I am going to join as soon as a new challenge drops. 'Cause it's fun to be in such community where everyone openly shares their designs. You get to learn and be inspired. It is all in one place. To me, Coohom is like a planet of design on a different level. Great performance? Check. Stunning visuals? Check. Inspiration? Check. Community? Check. Immediate help? Check. Gifts and continuous competitions to keep you creative? Check. A group where you can meet all users and make friends? Check. And more importantly, your bank account increasing? Check, check, check. Coohom stands out by providing a comprehensive solution for both interior and exterior design rendering, making it a one-stop platform for all your design needs. Unlike other software that may focus solely on one aspect, Coohom seamlessly integrates interior and exterior capabilities, allowing users to create cohesive and stunning visualizations. Its powerful rendering engine delivers high-quality, photorealistic results for any space, indoors or outdoors. With Coohom, you can effortlessly transition between interior layouts and exterior environments, ensuring a unified design approach. This versatility sets Coohom apart, offering a complete design experience from start to finish. This advanced rendering capability enhances project presentations, making your proposals more compelling and convincing. Designers benefit from the ability to visualize and experiment with various outdoor elements, from landscaping to architectural features, ensuring every detail meets client expectation. For businesses, these realistic renderings can improve marketing materials and boost client engagement. Coohom's intuitive interface allows for easy customization and real-time adjustments, saving time and streamlining the design process. Ultimately, Coohom's outdoor rendering tools enable you to create impressive, professional-grade presentations that set you apart in a competitive market. Imagine using these stunning visuals in your marketing campaigns, social media posts, and client presentations. High-quality renderings not only grab attention but also showcase your expertise and attention to detail, setting you apart from the competition. Coohom integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. Its user-friendly interface means you don't need to be a tech expert to create professional-grade renderings. Whether you're working on a large-scale project or a small residential design, Coohom adapts to your needs. The renders I'm showing now are all created using Coohom. Here are some details on everything we use to achieve these stunning results. Before that, guys, if you are new to Coohom or you would like to try it, use the code EVERYTHINGDESIGN for 72% on the yearly plan. And don't miss your chance on getting a free 15-day pro trial. 2 subscribers will be lucky. So hurry and comment down below your favorite feature in Coohom.
This is a limited time offer, so don't miss it out, guys. Stay tuned to see if you are one of the lucky winners. Now, this is the project I made. I only focused on the outdoor courtyard to show you guys how easy and fun it is to create with Coohom. Believe it or not, all the items I used are from the library. This pool is just amazing if you don't feel like building one from scratch. Here is the gate and the garage door. The stone path is so realistic. You can scale it to fit any space. I just kept it as it and used the array tool to lay it how I like. You can find all sorts of grass in the library. I used this one here. If you have a bigger project, you will find all the greenery you need, from big trees to mountains. This whole fire pit set is also from the library. If you want me to make a tutorial on how to build one, let me know in the comments, guys. These 2 structures I build in custom modeling. Nothing is complicated in Coohom. Also, when it comes to lights and garden lamps, you have a huge selection. I chose few as you saw in the renders, and that is to give a very romantic and cozy feeling to the space. Here I'm just confirming that everything is from the library. These holes are for the swimming pool and the fire pit. Coohom allows for all kinds of construction work to be done. If you want to build a bunker, you actually can. Here comes the fun part where we experiment with rendering. You have options to choose from, but you can just use the fast rendering template as it gives stunning results as well. I like to do more work on my renderings for maximum beauty. So I do customize my templates. You can customize your templates too to experiments with different effects, as we mentioned earlier in the video. This is where you can adjust and add all the lights you need. Make sure you select the same light template for all the levels if you have a multi-floor design like I do. You can control where you take the renders from. I like second floor shots for exterior design. They look very nice and professional. Choose the environment and get ready for the reveal. Check this out, guys. This is truly impressive to me. The level of detail and precision is beyond me. I made sure to take different shots for different times of the day to achieve specific moods and vibes. I really enjoy playing with the sun position as it gives a very artistic and realistic feel to the render. I also want to mention that the render time is super fast, so you don't have to wait like other software. And if you are a cool Elite Plan user, your renders literally appear after you press generate. Seconds wait time. Who can beat that? I will let you enjoy the renders now, and I really hope this video was helpful. If you want to check how the video renders of this courtyard turned out, stay tuned for upcoming shorts. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insights on how Coohom can help you succeed in your design projects. We're excited to see the amazing outdoor spaces you'll create with Coohom. Until next time, happy designing.